Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to delete a comment on your TikTok video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. This is great when you have received a comment where the user is trying to insult you or just hurt your feelings and you want to delete that comment. This works on iPhone and an Android phone. So on your phone, open up your TikTok app. Now go to your page by tapping on me at the bottom right. Now tap on a video where you want to delete the comment. Now tap on the comment symbol at the bottom right. Then find your comment and long press on it. You will see a menu appear. Here, tap on delete and this will delete the comment for that video. And there you go, that is how to delete a comment on your TikTok video. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.